The story forming menu is unique to Dramatica. It has shortcuts to the story guide, the query system, and the story engine, but it also has these two other commands. Clear story form will remove the structure from the file on which you're currently working. So if you've done some structuring and some storytelling, and you want to keep the words you've written in storytelling, but get rid of the raw underlying structure, you can use this function to pull that structure out and then create another one based on your own work. Now, this is especially useful for inspirationist writers because very often you'll want to put in your storytelling first and then find and refine the structure later. So you come up with one structure. If it doesn't quite work, you can clear it out completely and try another to see if that matches your work better. The Build Story Examples function is not used nearly as often. There's an examples file that contains over 60 story examples that ship with Dramatica, and it can be found in the same folder in which Dramatica was installed. Often, screenplay systems will publish additional examples on their website, or you might create some of your own. When you do, if you drag those and copy them into that folder that says Examples, and then click on this button, you'll be able to incorporate the examples you added to that folder into the ones that are called up in the query system and elsewhere in Dramatica when you refer to story examples. So that's a mouthful to simply say, if you want to add some story examples, put them in the Examples folder, then click on this option and it will rebuild the examples database to make sure those new story files are available.